How to convert Amazon Pay balance to bank account. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to convert Amazon Pay balance to bank account. First, open the Amazon Shopping app on your mobile phone and log in to your account. Then, tap on the profile icon shown at the bottom. Here, you have to select your account option. Now, scroll down and tap on the Manage Gift Card Balance option. After that, you'll be able to see your gift card balance. Then, you can select to redeem another gift card option. Here, you can claim the code by scanning the gift card or entering the claim code. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.